What's up guys, Luke Stevens from Port Shipping Containers, and today I've got something epic to show you. Our client has outgrown their commercial kitchen on their site, so we're using two 40-foot containers to connect to their existing kitchen and doubling their output. This thing is very special. I can't wait to show you. So this side of the kitchen or shipping containers will be the section that connects to the kitchen that's on site. So when it gets delivered, we'll be able to then pair this up beautifully through this walkway. And if you come through with me, you're now going to enter the brand new kitchen space. What we've done is we've got two 40-foot containers and we've joined them together. This back section is a lot of the prep area, and come through here. We've got our pass-through from our cookers and fryers and range hood area through to this prep area, which is a ton of space for fridges and storage underneath the AC behind you there. Coming down further, we've now got a fully built-in cool room. This is in one section of that 40-foot container and fully self-contained in this area. It's unreal. And walking back from the prep area, now moving to the actual kitchen area at the front here. So we've got sinks and hand washers and more prep space down the end. You'll see that we're completely empty underneath the range hood, and the reason why is the client already has the equipment on site that will be wheeling in and connecting once delivered. Now moving around to this side, what you're going to see is a cutout, and this is that recessed area on the back container. The reason why we've done that is there's quite large equipment that's going to be underneath this range hood. So this is going to give us the ability to wheel in our pizza prep area, underbench fridge, all that stuff up top, so we can make our pizzas and they're going to roll straight into underneath the range hood. When we're delivering this, we've got all the stainless steel capping on all of the openings ready to install on site. So the flooring strip will be installed across here, and you can see here's some of the stainless steel that we're just dry fitted to make sure it's perfect for delivery. These will be all finished off and fixed into position once delivered. This is a really great feature inside this kitchen, the ability to be able to have prep space on this side and a pass-through to the other side where there's going to be more benches and more prep space down through the other container. This is a really great workstation to be able to grab and cook all in a very close proximity. In the front kitchen section, we've got two of these prep and wash-up stations down both ends. Slightly different. This one is going to have a large dishwasher tucked into the corner here. We've also got your hand wash basins down both ends, and there's a few across the back as well. These are really nice. These are a knee operated hand wash station, just a little bit more compliant and really convenient when you're cooking in a space like this. This really is the business end of this kitchen. You'll see that all of our gas professionally installed. There's plenty of power with some 3-phase, probably for the combi oven to be fitted down this way, and a 6-meter range hood. This is custom made, so we can make these in any size or configuration as you need. And we've got 3 exhaust fans running up through the roof. This is an absolute piece of art. But this is a beautiful range hood overhead. No kitchen's complete without a lot of our standard inclusions. That's our R11 commercial grade non-slip vinyl flooring, and that's coved up the walls, not only for compliance but ease of cleaning. You've got your EPS walls, which are all sealed off for compliance, and this also makes it very easy for cleaning and very good for insulation as well. We've got our floor wastes placed in certain areas with their catch arresters all built in underneath that floor. We've got 2 split system air conditioners down one end, and this is going to allow plenty of cool air to come through this entire workspace. The entire kitchen is really well lit up. We've got plenty of downlights throughout the entire space, plus you've got LED lights inside that range hood as well. There really isn't an area that's casting a shadow. It's very well lit. There is a ton of power throughout the entire kitchen, giving us a lot of flexibility for different electrical goods throughout the entire build as well. We are just putting the final touches on this build, and cleaning is definitely well underway, but a little bit more before we deliver in a couple of days' time. The stainless steel is all protected. This comes from our manufacturers, so it's all got that sticker adhesive over the stainless steel, and that's just to protect all of our perfect custom stainless steel that we put into our structures like this. When it gets delivered, we can take this off, producing a perfect result for our client on delivery. This is a classic example of us working extremely close with our clients to develop a specific product for their needs. As you'll see, it's completely empty. There's no cooking equipment, there's no refrigeration or appliances. He's got it all on site, ready to wheel in once this gets delivered. Now, that doesn't work for everyone. Of course, sometimes you're going to need us to supply you with a full turnkey solution, and we can absolutely help you there. We've partnered with some amazing brands over the years, and we get great prices on really good commercial equipment. So, depending on what you need, that's why you come to Port, because we'll give you exactly the solution that's right for you. Well, I did say this was an epic kitchen build. I really hope you enjoyed the walkthrough and showing a couple of options that can be available to you if you do need a commercial kitchen, or in this case, just a compliant shell for you to put all your equipment in. We loved working closely with our clients to develop awesome products just like this. If you've got a project in mind similar to this or something completely different, definitely reach out to us today. We've got you covered. Like and subscribe on our YouTube and our Facebook page, and leave some comments. We love hearing from you, and I'll catch you in the next one.